What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see, I did just buy an iPad Pro. It is the 10.5 inch 2nd gen 2017 model. I got it in space gray. Oh, it's upside down. Whoops. 64 gigs. It's the Wi-Fi only version. What's it called? My girlfriend got the 10.5 inch iPad Pro as well, but she got it in rose gold. And if you guys want to see an unboxing on her channel, if you want to see an unboxing of this, go to her channel. I'll have the description down below if you guys want to check out what the rose gold looks like and first impressions, I guess, of what she thinks. So I also bought an Apple Pencil as well, but I'll unbox that in a different video. But right now we're just going to be focusing on the iPad Pro. Let's see what we get in the box. I just recently bought this today, like half an hour ago. Get that nice little plastic wrap off. Sorry I haven't been posting as much, guys. Let's edit out that. Sorry I haven't been posting as much, guys. I've been really busy. Homework, school, you know, just life stuff. But look at that. Look at that. Nice shrink wrap out. So right here we have the space gray. And let's see if the box comes out. Okay, so start the video again here. Alright, so let's get this box opened up. Oh crap, that thing is stuck on there. There we go. Let's get this off on this side. I got the iPad Pro primarily for school, drawing, and note taking as well. Oh, that's getting annoying. Alright, there we go. Alright, so as you guys can see, here is the iPad. We'll get into what's in the box. Well, let's get into what's in the box first. Then we'll see what the iPad looks like and stuff. So as you can see, just like a normal size lightning cable. I don't think this is the super long version. This is just the regular one you get. You get your little pamphlet. The designed by Apple in California. You guys always seen that. That's the same. You got the 12-watt charger. It's not the same one that comes with the MacBook. I'll show you guys that. This is the one that comes with the MacBook. And this is the one you get. So definitely a different size comparison. Like, this thing is huge compared to the other one, but I mean, I guess it's fine. I've been pretty salty if they would have just included that little tiny one that they always been including for like forever on all their things. You guys know which one I'm talking about, right? That tiny little box. All right, so we saw that. I think that's literally it. This box is like really in there. That's it. Let me double check that for you guys. No, yeah. This is all the box included. On the back. Sorry about the shadow of the camera, guys. I'm trying to figure out how I can record this with getting light. Hold up, give me a second. Alright, that looks way better, guys. So this is the 10.5 inch iPad Pro. Yeah, Wi-Fi edition. I didn't need cellular because that's too much. And I always have Wi-Fi wherever I'm at. So as you can see, it has like this plastic covering. this is a really nice size, guys. Like, I saw I originally wanted to get the 12.9 inch because I thought it'd be better for media consumption and taking notes and drawing. Like, I'd have an easier time in doing all those things. But after I went to go check it out at the Apple store, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, that thing is ridiculously big. Like, that's kind of a troll thing to be walking around with outside of anywhere. Like, if you're in your own house the whole time and you gotta use it there, like, okay, I realize that, but that thing is like the size, like double this size. It's like huge as heck, dude. It's sort of a joke, honestly, but I wanted that one originally, but when me and my girlfriend went to go check it out at the Apple store, we decided that this was a good size with between portability and screen ratio. This is a 10.5 inch screen. The other one was the 12.9, so it's a little bigger. It's like 2 more inches, so it's like this big, this much bigger. But overall, we decided to get an iPad Pro. She wanted it to draw and stuff like that, and I got it to take notes and draw as well because I've been trying to get into drawing a lot. I had this urge, and when I get urges, I just go out and buy it, which I know is horrible, but I guess I don't know, that's just me. Alright, so as you can see, it's just the space gray, the normal branding logo, a couple little hairs right there, get rid of that. Over here you have, I believe this is the same camera that the iPhone 7 Plus has, so it is now optical stabilization. It's optical stabilization, sorry guys. You have the two speakers over here, and then the 2 back speakers. You also have the, where's the smart connection? Smart connector right there. And you have your port right here, and your aux cord over here, your aux 3.5mm jack to put your headphones in, which is pretty cool because they don't put that in iPhones anymore. This is a Pro model, so I'm gonna start it up for you guys right now. Let's see, where's the power button? Power button's on this side right here, so let's let me click that, see if it's got some juice in it. And yeah, there is some juice. But yeah, that's basically the unboxing of the iPad Pro 10.5 inch 2017 2nd gen. I'm gonna leave down, I'm gonna do right now another video unboxing the pencil and the setup your iPad. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching these videos. And keep telling me what you guys want to see, because I like Fortnite. I know everyone likes Fortnite right now. Everyone's obsessed with it. And I'll have like a little review of what I think about the iPad Pro. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoy the video. If you guys can afford it, I think you guys should definitely, or just go look at it at an Apple store, see if you guys like it, and then decide whether you want to get it or not. It's really up to you guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Check out my setup guide for the iPad Pro and an unboxing on the Apple Pencil. So until then, see you guys in the next video. Peace.